Okay, so today I want us to learn how to solve simultaneous equations using the method called the elimination method. To eliminate is to remove. So we solve simultaneous equation using elimination method by eliminating one of the variables. We have two variables in these two equations. We have the y as well as the x. So to solve this using elimination method, we remove one variable. Now, how do we remove one variable? So for question A, we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. Then we have 5x minus 2y, which is equal to 22. So to solve that equation, or those equations by elimination method, we have to eliminate one of the variables by simply adding the two equations together. Now, for you to eliminate them, the letter which you want to eliminate first could be x or y. They should have the same coefficient, then they must have different sign. The other one should be negative, the other one should be positive. So in this equation, it is very easy to eliminate this y because the coefficient is the same, then they have different signs already. So we eliminate that by adding them. So if you are to add 3x plus 5x, we are getting 8x. Then 2y plus negative 2y, so 2y plus negative 2y, which we are getting 2y minus 2y, which is a 0. So this is eliminated because it is giving us a 0, which is equals to, you add 10 plus 22, we are getting 32. Now we want to find x, so over 8, which is 8 into 8x, we have x is equals to, then we have 4. So x is equals to 4. Then we have to find the value of y, of which we can either use the first equation or the second equation. Either of these, you just choose any. So we have, for example, if we choose the one on top, 3x plus 2y is equals to 10. Now, where there is x, we'll be substituting with the value of x, which is 4. So where there is x there, we'll be putting the 4. So I have 3, open bracket 4, plus 2y is equals to 10. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2y is equals to 10. We group like terms, so 12 is a like term of 10, so the 12 will have to go to the other side. We have 2y is equals to 10. When 12 goes there, it becomes a minus, which is a negative 12. So 2y is equals to negative 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 into 2y, we have y, which is equals to negative 1. Therefore, x is equals to 4, and y is equals to negative 1. Okay, this one is quite easy. Now let us look at example 2. Look at example 2. You can pause the video and go through what we've done there, then continue with the example B. So, example B, chalk is sticky. It's a different case on example B because neither of those numbers are the same, and okay, with the sign, they are different with y. They have different signs. Okay, so we have 3x minus 2y is equals to 13. 2x plus 3y is equals to 0. So neither of these numbers are the same, so it won't be eliminated easily, either x or y. You choose the letter you want to eliminate. So if you want to eliminate, for example, x, since here we had eliminated y, so here let us eliminate x. So to eliminate x, you need to make them to have the same coefficients and they must have different sign. Now to make these two to have the same coefficients, we swap these numbers. The 2 goes on top, the 3 comes down, then we need to multiply throughout. Now since we want to eliminate x, which means these two, one of them must be negative, one of them must be positive. So to make them to have different signs, one of these should be negative. So for example, that one. So we have negative 2 times 3x, which are getting negative 6x, negative 2 times negative 2y, which are getting positive 4y, which is equals to negative 26. Then 3 times 2x, we have 6x. Then 3 times 3y, we have positive 6, 9, positive 9y, which is equals to 3 times 0, 0. Then you add the two equations. Again, when adding these will be eliminated. You see, because they have different signs and they are all the same value. So add these. So we have 4y plus 9y, of which you are getting 13. 13y is equals to negative 26. Divide by 13, divide by 13. 13 there, we have made with y, which is equals to negative 2. When we find the value of y, now we have to find the value of x, which you can either use the one on the bottom here or the one on top. So the previous example, we had used the first one. So in the second example, let us use the second one, which we have 2x plus 3y is equals to 0. Now where there is y, we will be putting the negative 2. So 2x plus 3y is equals to, where is y, we put negative 2. So negative 2 is equals to 0. So 2x, 3 times negative 2, we are getting negative 6, which is equals to 0. Group like terms. So 2x is equals to positive 6. The 6 goes there. Then you divide by 2, divide by 2, 2, 2, and then with x, which is equals to, we have the 3. So therefore, x is equals to 3, and y is equals to negative 2. So that is how we solve simultaneous equation. The next video will talk about solving the same simultaneous equation but using substitution method. Thank you. Have a good day. Please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and share so that you may be the first person to be informed if any video is uploaded.